Let's say how to create nut in SolidWorks, part design, front plane sketch, draw the hexagon, circle radius is 20, make this horizontal, extrude to 10 mm and OK. Select the front plane sketch, draw the circle, make it tangent, extrude cut, pick the direction of cut, OK. So make the chamfer on other side also, draw the circle, tangent, OK. Exit from the sketch, extrude cut, flip the direction to cut and okay. So now we have to create a hole with thread. For this we have to insert the bolt and then subtract the bolt from the nut. So insert part design bolt. Now distance, okay. Concentric, next concentric, so we have to subtract the bolt from nut. Go to the features, combine option, main body is nut and subtract the nut from the. So this is how we can create it. Apply the color and so this completes the nut. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the video for more videos.